from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. I'm coming up with InLoveArtShop project share. As you all know, I design for InLoveArtShop and I love their dies and stamps in their store. They are super affordable and super awesome stuff they have. This time I picked up few floral dies and few floral stamps and few dies. So let me just start with this. I'll show you what cards I created with what stamps and dies. Let me start with this first one. So I used two. One is the die and one is the floral stamp set. It is layered flower and it is here, this one. So you have this 3 layers of flowers and 2 types of leaves with 3 layers and 1 spring, and it stems really well. I'll show you another card as well, which is used with this same stamp set. Just look, you guys, it's super beautiful. I stamped on a watercolor paper with the ink, and I've stamped really close to each other and then fussy cut them out. And I also used this die. So this die doesn't have a cut here, so you can just extend your paper. It cuts this shape here, this one, and look how beautiful it cuts. You can use both the sides. I only used one, and I pasted this stamp floral cluster here on this. It's so beautiful, guys. Just look at this, and it cuts really well. Look at this. I did not do anything on it. So that's that. Here's my second card. This was I was talking about. I made a beautiful floral cluster and I sprayed some black ink just to make it look beautiful. And this is also from one of the stamp set, which says "We are always together," and it's right here. We are always together. It has so many sentiments on here that you can use. Just look at this, guys. So this has like 3 layers and this has 3 layers. So that is that. And coming up with my third card, which is Father's Day card. Love you always, Dad. This is also from the same stamp set. And this is the die I used. It's right here. 3 dies. And it's a perfect size for A2 size card. This is A2 size. Look how beautiful it looks. I just love this. And it has like 3 different patterns. This is the plain one. This has the circle dots on it. This has a flower. And I'm super happy with this card. This is my favorite in all my cards. I again made another one, which is this one. Like I had a jute lying around, and then the tie is hanging on it, and it says "Best Dad." So that's that. And the last one, which I promised to show when I use this die. So basically what I thought was this die cuts this shapes, but it doesn't. It embosses this shapes. It cuts the shape, but not this ones. It embosses in here, eyes, nose, lips, everything. So nothing is cut. The cut, you can only cut the outside border in this shape of a woman, but not this inside part. And what I came up with is this. So what I did is I cut that shape out, and I can see those embossing here, and I marked those embossing with a black pen, and I ink blended all these things, the face, hairs, and those flowers and stuff. I just wanted to look it more colorful and cheerful, so I just used lots and lots of colors here. so I can show you how it is embossed. You can see at the back. So that was easy for me to draw out this stuff. It took a lot of time, but then the final result, I'm really happy with it. So yeah, don't forget to check out the description box below. There will be all the information about the dies, stems, and the store. There would also be 15% off discount code. Hope you like this video. Hope you like my projects. Stay tuned. I'll be coming with more soon. Until then, bye for now.